I'm a living example. I'm taking care.
I understand. You're a fighter,
Yeah, I've been.
and Shaukat Khanum gave you the opportunity to fight back and get your life back. And that's what we can all do together. Thank you very much and good to have you here. Thank you. Well done.
Example of what people can go through and survive.
Yes?
And no, I always thought in my dreams, if I ever get a chance to meet Imran Khan, I will say to him, "Upar Khuda hai, aur mere liye zameen par तुम हो."
Did you hear that, Imran bhai? इन्होंने कहा है कि she survived cancer, was treated at Shaukat Khanum, and she said, I always wanted to meet Imran Khan and tell him कि मेरे लिए ऊपर खुदा है और नीचे तुम हो. Thank you.